Welcome to Weight Ask channel, where we provide you with the latest insights on health and wellness. If you're eager to shed some weight and improve your overall health, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of intermittent fasting and how it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. So let's get started. Wait! Before starting this video, I introduce you with Alpilean, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Understanding intermittent fasting. Before we jump into our 7-day plan, it's essential to understand what intermittent fasting is and how it works. Intermittent fasting is not just about skipping meals. It's a well-researched approach to weight loss and better health. The science behind it, let's dive deeper into the science of intermittent fasting. Learn how it affects your body at a cellular level, leading to weight loss, blood sugar control, reduced blood pressure, and various health benefits. The 7-day plan. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the 7-day intermittent fasting plan for effective weight loss will provide you with a day-by-day breakdown of what to eat, when to eat, and how to make the most of this plan. Success stories. Hear inspiring success stories from individuals who have achieved remarkable results through 7-day intermittent fasting. Their journeys will motivate you to stay committed to your goals. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the Secrete video link in the video description. The link will be deleted in few days and never up in this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!